Today I'm going to be reviewing the abstract graffiti backpack plus the lunchbox. Let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to be reviewing the backpack. Okay, so first we have the first big pocket, the front pocket right here. Big pocket in the front, which can hold your pencils, and I have my 2 styluses. And then you have 3 pockets over here, and I have a little notebook. And then you can zip that pocket right up. Next, on the top, we have another pocket. We have some Beanie Boos that you can hang on your backpack. Next, we have the second pocket over here, which you can put your iPad in right here. Then you have a pocket for your books or an extra strap. Next, we have the huge pocket. Okay, so huge pocket, you can hold books, anything. You can even hold your iPad too here, or laptop. And then we've got the sides. The sides, you can hold your water bottle, you can hold another water bottle, you can hold anything right here. Now it's time to look at the lunchbox. Okay, so first, the designs fronting the lunchbox. We've got a cute little handle right here. Handle to hold it. Don't forget to hold your handle while you're walking to lunch. See you there. 3 pockets. First, we've got the front pocket, where you can put little notes and cards in there. I got a note! Have a great day, aww! Next, we have the base pocket on the bottom, where you can put lunch packs, ice to keep it cold. Then, we have the middle of it. This is where you are going to be putting all of the snacks and food. They are awesome. I love the design. They are really cool. Very well made. Thank you so much. And this is awesome. I rate a 10 out of 10. A+. Anyway, thank you so much.